Scene script. Have you ever stopped to consider how crucial our oceans are, not just for marine life, but for our very existence? Let's dive into the depths of these vast bodies of water that cover more than 70% of our Earth's surface. Picture this, an expansive, endless blue that houses a multitude of creatures, some still unknown to us. But the role of oceans goes far beyond being just a home for marine life. They are, in fact, life-supporting systems that play a critical role in maintaining the balance of our planet. Consider the air we breathe. Over half of the world's oxygen is produced by oceanic phytoplankton, tiny plants that float near the surface. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, making every second breath you take a gift from the ocean. Oceans also act as the world's largest climate regulator. They absorb about 1/4 of the carbon dioxide that humans produce and soak up over 90% of the heat trapped by greenhouse gases. This helps to cool the planet, but the increasing absorption of CO2 is leading to ocean acidification, a serious threat to marine life. Moreover, oceans are a treasure trove of biodiversity, teeming with millions of different species, from the smallest plankton to the largest whale. This biodiversity is vital for the health of our planet and, in turn, our own survival. It provides food, medicine, and even inspiration for technology. And let's not forget the human aspect. Oceans are the lifeblood of many communities, providing livelihoods to millions of people across the globe. They are integral to trade and tourism, and even play a role in cultural and spiritual practices. But our oceans are under threat. Overfishing, pollution, climate change, and habitat destruction are taking a heavy toll. It's a stark reminder that we need to respect and protect these precious resources. So the next time you gaze at the vast ocean, remember that it is not just a beautiful view, but a vital component of our world. Did you know that our oceans are the world's largest solar energy collector and climate regulator? Yes, you heard that right. The vast, deep blue waters that cover more than 2/3 of our planet aren't just there for us to admire. They play a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate. Let's delve deeper into understanding how. Picture this. The sun's rays beat down on the surface of the ocean, and the water absorbs a significant chunk of this solar energy. This energy doesn't just stay at the surface. It gets distributed around the globe. The ocean currents, acting like a giant conveyor belt, move this warm water from the equator to the poles and bring cold water back towards the equator. This process, known as thermohaline circulation, helps to regulate and stabilize global climate patterns. But that's not all. Oceans also act like a gigantic sponge, soaking up carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, from the atmosphere. The surface layer of the ocean absorbs carbon dioxide through a process called gas exchange. When the wind blows over the surface of the ocean, it causes the water to churn, and this churning facilitates the absorption of carbon dioxide into the water. Once in the ocean, the carbon dioxide can remain dissolved for hundreds to thousands of years. This process, known as oceanic carbon sequestration, is a critical factor in mitigating the impacts of human-induced climate change. In fact, oceans absorb about 1/3 of all carbon dioxide emissions generated by human activities. However, this process is a double-edged sword. While it helps to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, it also leads to ocean acidification, which can have detrimental effects on marine life. So you see, oceans don't just provide us with breathtaking views and a home for a myriad of marine species. They are the unsung heroes of our planet, tirelessly working to regulate our climate and keep the Earth habitable. Without our oceans, the Earth's climate would be drastically different, making it a much less hospitable place for humans and many species of animals and plants. Oceans are a significant reservoir of biodiversity, containing nearly 200,000 identified species, but actual numbers may lie in the millions. These are not just idle statistics. They reflect the vibrant life that thrives beneath the ocean waves. From the microscopic plankton, the ocean's unsung heroes, to the majestic blue whale, the largest creature to have ever lived, our oceans are teeming with remarkable life forms. Each plays a crucial role in the grand tapestry of marine life. The plankton, the base of the food chain, provides sustenance for a plethora of marine species. The giant whales, on the other hand, are key in nutrient distribution, their movements stirring up the ocean depths, bringing nutrient-rich water to the surface. But it's not just about the big and the small. Our oceans host a myriad of creatures, each with distinct roles. Coral reefs, often dubbed the rainforest of the sea, are hotspots of biodiversity. The symbiotic relationships within these reefs are a testament to the delicate balance of life. This rich biodiversity is vital for the health of our planet, Marine species help maintain the balance of the world's ecosystems. They contribute to the cycling of nutrients and the regulation of climate. They also provide us with food and medicines and enrich our lives with their beauty. The incredible biodiversity of our oceans is a testament to the health of our planet, and we must strive to protect it. Beyond their role in supporting a rich variety of life, oceans also play a crucial role in supporting human livelihoods. Oceans are the lifeblood of our planet, not only for the creatures that call them home, but also for we humans who reside on land. They provide food and income for billions of people around the globe. Picture the bustling fish markets, the busy harbors filled with fishing vessels, the seafood restaurants serving up a plethora of oceanic delicacies. All these are testament to the fact that oceans are economic powerhouses, but it's not just about the food. Oceans are also the highways for global trade. Ships crisscrossing the seas carry goods from one continent to another, supporting economies and providing employment to countless individuals. However, we must tread lightly. Overfishing and other harmful practices threaten the very resources we rely upon. Sustainability is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. We must adopt sustainable fishing practices, ensuring that we do not take more from the ocean than it can replenish. Marine conservation, too, plays a vital role. By protecting our oceans, we safeguard the myriad species that inhabit them, maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. This, in turn, helps ensure the continued availability of the resources we depend on. The future of our oceans is in our hands. We must remember that our livelihoods, our economies, and our very survival are intertwined with the health of our oceans.